public gratitude? Is this? Oh, go away! Am I never to be permitted to soliloquize?
Go on, don't mind me.
What are you doing with that rope?
I'm about to terminate an unendurable existence.
Terminate your existence? Oh, nonsense, what for?
Because you are about to marry the girl I adore.
Nonsense, sir! I am a human man, and if you attempt anything of the kind, I shall order your instant arrest. Come send this at once, or I summon my guard!
That's absurd. If you attempt to raise the alarm, I instantly perform the happy dispatch with this dagger.
That? You cold-blooded scoundrel! I'm aware that in taking your own life, you are committing a crime, which is...
What's the matter?
Absolutely resolved to unturn and die.
Absolutely.
Will nothing whatever shake your determination?
Nothing.
Threats, entreaties, prayers, all useless.
All. My mind is made up.
Then if you really mean what you say, and if you are absolutely resolved to die, and if nothing whatever will shake your determination, just spoil yourself by committing suicide, but be beheaded handsomely at the hands of a public executioner.
I don't see how that would benefit me.
Yes? Observe. You will have a month's live, and you will live a fighting cock to my expense. When the day passes, there will be a grand public ceremony. You will be the central figure. No one will attempt to supply your match stateroom. There will be a procession, bands, dead march, bells rolling, all the girls in tears, young distracted, and then when it's all over, general rejoicing for the display of fireworks in the evening. You won't see it, but they'll be there.
Do you really think Yum would be distracted at my death?
Oh, I'm convinced of it. I bless you. She's the most tender-hearted little creature alive.
I should be sorry to cause her pain. Perhaps after all, if I were to withdraw from Japan and travel in Europe for a while, perhaps I might contrive to forget her.
I don't think you could forget Yum so easily. And after all, what is more miserable than a love like life?
True.
Life without Yum, why, it seems absurd.
And yet there are a good many people in the world that have to endure it.
Poor devils, yes. You're quite right not to be of their number.
I won't be of their number.
No, fellow.
I'll tell you how we'll manage it. Let me marry Yum tomorrow, and in a month you may behead me.
So, I told the night of Yum.
Very well then, if you can roll on, so can I.
Oh, it's not really reasonable. How can I consent to marrying Yum? I'm going to marry her myself.
My dear fellow, she'll be a widow in a month, and you can marry her then.
Well, that's true, of course. I quite see that. But dear me, my position during the next month has been most unpleasant. Most unpleasant.
Not half as unpleasant as my position at the end of this.
But, oh, dear me. Well, oh, well, I agree. After all, it's only putting off my wedding for a month. But you won't prejudice her against me, really? You see, she has been educated to be my wife. She has taught to regard me as a wise and a good man. Now, I should like her views on that point to her.
Trust me, you shall never learn the truth.
congratulate me, gentlemen, I found a volunteer.
The Japanese are braver than the here.
She's black.
Well, and you know.
I think you.
Yes, you do.
Healed life if I am your surrender. Now I adore that girl with passion tender, and could not yield her if a ready will for her alone. If I did not adore myself with the passion endless, with the passion endless skill. Take her, oh, not you. Long life.